Your phone is charging now.
How to activate battery charge notification sound on the IQoo phone.
Charger is disconnect.
Let's see how to turn it on. Now go to the Play Store, then search battery sound alert. I already have this app installed, now you can install it. Now click on the connect icon below, then select text to speech. Now, file your taxes the way you want. Now let's see if my phone gives an alert when it's charging.
Your phone is charging now. Disconnected on your charger.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.